Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick video overview of how you can get Sage installed so you can get up and running. So the first thing to do is to browse over to the release page for the application. And that latest URL that I just browsed to will take you to the latest version for Sage. You can see some recent changes that went into that latest version. And then you'll see a bunch of different tarballs and zips for different operating systems and different CPU types. So based on what type of computer and CPU type you have, you'll need to choose which file you want. So in my case, I'm using a Mac. So I'm going to use Darwin, which is the name of the operating system that Mac OS is based on. And then since I have a newer Mac, it's using Apple Silicon, which is ARM64 CPU type. If you had an older Intel Mac, you'd choose x86. And then we have the same breakdown for Linux and Windows. Now note, if you're doing Linux or Windows, you can just download the tarball and unpack it into a folder. You don't have to do anything special. The rest of these instructions are a little bit special for Mac OS users because of the application signing requirement. So in my case, I'm going to copy the URL here. I'm going to hold on to that. And then I'm going to open up a terminal. And what I want to do is just create a folder where I want to store my Sage data in the application. So I'm just going to create a folder called Sage at the root of my home directory and switch directories into that new directory. And then what I can do is do curl-L, paste that whole URL, and then do -lowercase o, do sage.tar.gz. And all of this will be outlined in the getting started instructions as well. So that's going to download that file. Now I need just to extract that tarball. And you can see now that we've got the original tarball and we've got 3 files, the license and readme, which are just included by default, and Sage, which is actually the application binary. So now if you wanted to start that application, you could do it from the command line just by doing /sage, or you can actually double click it right in your window editor as well. So double click on Sage, and that'll launch the application directly in your browser. So that's it. That's all you need to do to get started. Hopefully this was helpful.